In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the homepage background on Squarespace. If you're looking to spruce up your website or just in the mood for a change, Squarespace makes it incredibly easy to refresh your site's look with a new background image. Let's get into the steps you'll need to follow for a website that looks fresh and inviting. First, navigate to the Squarespace homepage. Here you'll find the portal to all things Squarespace. But to get started on your task, look for the Login option. Click on that to proceed to the Sign In page. For those of you who've linked your Google account with Squarespace, clicking on Continue with Google will streamline your login process. Simply choose your Google account from the list provided. If you're like me and have multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one associated with your Squarespace site. Now that you're logged in, let's direct our attention to accessing your website. Head over to your Squarespace dashboard by navigating to the Websites section. Find the specific website you're looking to edit and click on it. This action brings you into the back end of your website where all the magic happens. Once there, your next move is to click on Pages. This section is where you can view all the pages that make up your website, look for the home page or whatever your home page is titled if you've customized it. Ready to edit? Click on the Edit button, which should be visible once you hover over your home page section. This will launch Squarespace's editor, putting you one step closer to that new background. Inside the editor, you'll see an option to Edit section. Clicking this reveals various settings you can tweak for your homepage section, including the background. Select Background. Here you'll be presented with the current background setting for your homepage. To change it, click on Replace. This opens up options for your new background. If you're looking for high quality images without additional cost, click on Browse Stock Images. Squarespace offers a wide range of stock photos. Undoubtedly you'll find one that aligns with your website's theme. Take your time browsing through the images. Once you've found the perfect background, click on it, then hit Add Image. You'll then see your selected image set as the new background for your homepage. All that's left to do is click Save. And just like that, you've successfully changed your homepage background on Squarespace. Remember, the visual aspect of your site plays a crucial role in visitor engagement. Experiment with different backgrounds to see what works best for your website's fit. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you create a more beautiful and engaging website on Squarespace.